right now my room is like a complete mess because I'm planning to get rid of this dressing table. I don't even use this, and I usually use it basically to store my rubbish in there. So I'm just clearing out all the drawers right now, and I've put them in black bags. I'm basically trying to move that desk over here, and then I'll plan to get, like, you know, those drawers where you can store loads of stuff in there. My room is just a mess right now, and I am out of breath right now because I just literally had to run up and down the stairs. And if you guys don't know, I have 4 floors and my room is on the top floor, so I literally have to go all the way down to the bottom floor to get black bags. And then yeah, but that is the current situation right now. So my dad just helped me take all this apart, so it's more easier to maneuver, and it's quite dirty right now. I need to hoover that, and then that one is going to be ready to move over. So this is the current situation right now. My room is still pretty messy and everything is still in black bags because I just don't know where to put them right now. So I just need to get a desk ASAP to put here so I can put all the stuff that I had in the previous drawers in there, and then that is my setup. Guys, I've literally been editing this video all day and I'm just so knackered. Like, this video is 20 minutes long, guys. Like, I've been trying to cut it down a lot as well, so that is literally the most I can do. I'm so knackered. Like, the only time I've gotten out of this seat was when I went to the toilet or when I went down to get food and water. It's currently 11 PM right now and I'm gonna shower and sleep soon, but hopefully I can get this video up by tomorrow. So I am currently uploading my ABG video and it's 2 hours, bruh. But yes, while I'm waiting for that to upload, I am actually getting ready right now to go Ikea with Karen because I'm still planning to get a drawer to put here. So basically I'm getting a drawer that is in level with this table, so it will act as a table for me. Oh, by the way, this mic I actually got it for my birthday from Fish and Emma, so thank you guys. I'm actually using it right now. So this is my OOTD. I have to wear a hat today because I've got greasy hair.
Fuck, that muffler.
Yeah.
It's so big.
Do you know, it's so good. It actually picks up sound so
you finally
much
put it
better.
on.
We out here, boy. Guys, look how cool this is. Basically have a menu and one person from each table have to go up to order. How sick. So I've got the veggie balls, but the guy forgot the mash, so he's bringing it to me right now. And I've got peas with that. Karen's got the Swedish meatballs with mash and peas. So this is basically the one I wanted, but it's only 70 cm. Guys, have I told you Karen found a £10 note on one of these arrows? Whoever's leaving money on the floor in Ikea. Where are the keys? Oh yeah, look, this is the table I have, Mom.
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Are you sure?
120 is the length.
What, and 41?
Yeah. But this is 78, I don't go there.
Yeah? Are you sure that you bought it from Ikea?
Guys, I'm so full.
Oh, there we go. Now, the drawers.
Oh yeah.
It's that one, right? But 2 drawers.
No, it's, yeah.
Yeah, so it's that.
Wow, this wall is really nice. This will be our future house. I need this for the walk-in wardrobe. Look at this girl, so lazy. Wants me to push her. You push me? Shoot me. Shoot me. Thế mà ngoại lục sụn con quá cơ. 65 white. It's out of stock.
Oh no.
It's heavy, you know.
Call you fat bitch.
It's not as easy as it seems. Oh my god. This is a workout, you know. So guys, this is the finished look. They're still empty because I literally just finished fitting this on. So now it is literally like an L table, which is what I wanted. But the only thing I'm concerned about is the glass. I think this normally comes with glass as well, but I think you need to buy it separately. I'm not too sure. Yeah, I don't know if I'll keep the glass for that. I'll see. But yes, I finally finished it. I was gonna have the drawers this side, but my dad and Karen said it would be better here, so yes. Hi guys, future Janice checking in here. So while I was editing this video, I actually forgot to film an outro, and I don't know why every time I film vlogs I always forget to film an outro. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell to get notified whenever I post new videos, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.